welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can view your Pickems page on Valorant when it looks like this. So you can actually view your Pickems results on the Valorant website. So if it doesn't work here, don't worry, you still have your rewards and you can still look at like the results. And before I start, I wanted to say congratulations to Lev for winning. Obviously, I'm sad my favorite team didn't win, but it's fine. Anyways, let's go to this website. I will put the link in the pinned comments down below, I think. But anyways, go to this website. It's valorantesports.com/pickems. Go to the Masters London one. And then here you can see your points. So you can also see your picks on the Swiss and playoff stage. So let's see here. I got 2 right, which is Vitality and Lev. And I got the undefeated one correct as well, which was Vitality. And then let's go back here. You can also see the playoffs results. I got 180 points from it. Wait, I got 180 out of 280. So I got these ones incorrect, but I got all of these correct, well, except for FUD here. And I didn't get this one right, of course. So I did pretty okay. And you can also see here, if you scroll down, the rewards that you got. So I'm so happy. I got like 2 of the Sage Buddy that I wanted. I was like aiming for top 50% because I really wanted this one, but I did not know I was going to get the gold one. So I was very happy about that. Nobody got the perfect 100% points. You can also see who made like the most points here, I think. Who got like the most accurate one. 170 points. Oh. You can view it all here. This is the community one. And basically, if you go back to Valorant, you can just see your rewards. So go to collection, and then if you go to your guns here. Okay. If I scroll down, you'll see that I have both of the buddies here, and I don't need to claim anything anymore. It's just going to be here, the Ref Buddy and Pickems Master Ref Buddy. So yeah, that is it. Unfortunately, I don't know why the Pickems page isn't working, but the reward is still here, like in your account. So if you don't know where it is, it's here. But make sure you visit the page first so you see what rewards you get from it. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!